So this is a cute mini fridge, right? But everything that's included inside is actual real working stationery. Let me show you. So the fruits are paper clips. And then you have the soda can that is actually a pencil sharpener. And then the eggs are erasers, egg erasers. Those are so cute. I need to see how they look. And then you have the orange juice, which is a pen. And then you also have the ice machine, which is a tape dispenser with a tape. The popsicles are pens and erasers. And then lastly, you have the strawberry juice, which is a pencil pouch, notebook, and pencil set. This would look so cute next to my pink mini locker. What do you guys say?